We're getting ready to do some work under the hood. The common problem working on your car is that when you lean over, get on the engine compartment, you're going to scratch up your fenders. Now they make some really nice fender covers, and you know, they'll be pleated and heavy vinyl and everything else. The problem with those is in most shops, they never get washed. And even if they do get washed, because of their nature, it's a tough thing to wash. It's foam and a real heavy vinyl, and dirt and metal shavings and stuff get impregnated into that foam underneath them. So they end up being like a big piece of sandpaper that you strap to your fender. One thing that I like to do in my shop is just use a towel. And in this case, you know, just an old towel that we have around. And then, so this doesn't end up sliding around and falling all over the place, I just use some regular office binder clips. And you can just bind that cover, this towel, onto whatever you can find in the area that you're working on. You know, the hood hinges, the core support, you know, even this solenoid here will do the job. And that way the towel stays where it is, and I keep all the scratches off my fender.